Hello, today we are going to talk about units in measurement, and under these units we are going to talk about terminologies, base units, derived units, and supplementary units. Terminologies, we have the first one, quantity. Quantity is a property that is measured, or it is a parameter that is measurable, something which is quantifiable. For example, we have mass, we have length, we have time, we have volume, we have pressure, and others. Another one, we have units, whereby a unit is a standard measure of a physical quantity. On base units, these are units which are also known as the fundamental units, and these units are independent, meaning that they do not depend on any other unit. We have 7 base quantities and 7 base units. Each quantity has got its own unit. So quantity number 1, we have length, whose unit is meters. Number 2, we have mass, whose unit is kilograms. We have number 3, time, whose unit is seconds. We have number 4, temperature, whose unit is Kelvin. We have number 5, electric current, whose unit is amperes. We have number 6, luminous intensity, whose unit is candela. We have number 7, quantity of matter or amount of substance, whose unit is moles. Under the classification of fundamental units, they are classified into number 1, we have the primary fundamental units, we have auxiliary fundamental units, and we have absolute units. Now, what are these primary fundamental units? These are units that are fundamental to most of physical quantities. Examples of primary fundamental units, we have kilogram for mass, we have meters for length, we have seconds for time. And auxiliary fundamental units, these are units which are related to other disciplines or to other areas of study, such as we have thermal, we have electrical, and other areas. Examples of auxiliary fundamental units, we have amperes for current, we have Kelvin, which is for temperature, we have candela, which is for luminous intensity. Now, on absolute units, these are units which are expressed in terms of a small number of fundamental units. And examples of absolute units, we have grams for mass, we have centimeters for length, and we have microseconds for time. And we have other units which are known as derived units. So these are units which are expressed in terms of fundamental units, meaning that they are obtained by either you multiply and or you divide one or more fundamental units with or without introducing any other numerical factor. Examples of derived units, if you multiply meters by meters, you will get square meters, which is the unit for area. If you divide meters per second, then you will get the unit for velocity or speed, and other examples. Under the supplementary units, we have examples of supplementary units, which are the radians, which is the unit for plane angles, and we have the steradians, which is the unit for solid angles. Normally, these two are used in geometry. Thank you.